It is everywhere. We need it. We want it. We even find it in places where we expect it not to be in. Yes, it is plastic. Before 1950, plastic was barely a part of our culture. But now, every year, about 1 trillion plastic bags are produced and used. Yes, that's a lot of plastic. But where do these come from? Do they have an end?
Now let's take a look at my life. Production of plastic takes place in 3 steps. Raw materials such as cellulose, coal and crude oil are first extracted. In presence of specific catalyst, monomer units are linked together to form a polymer chain. These are then melted and blended to get the desired product. Properties like versatility, flexibility, sustainability and technical performance are the reasons for the large-scale consumption of plastic. But we've developed a disposable lifestyle. 50% of this consumed plastic is for single use, like straws, water bottles, coffee cups, plastic bags, etc. This is utilized just for a few moments, but then it dwells on the planet for several hundred years. 32% of plastic packaging ends up littering the environment. 40% is auctioned in a landfill somewhere. 14% is incinerated. 14% goes for recycling, but only 2% is effectively recycled. About 8 million metric tons of plastic enters the ocean every year. Since 1950s, we've produced around 8.3 billion tons of plastic, which is equal to the weight of 163,000 statues of unity or 2 billion large elephants. We cannot continue to live like this.
So, when does a chemical engineer come into the picture? Let's find out.
To begin with the process, a large and steady volume of plastic is collected from households. The collected plastic is further sorted and then shredded and pelletized. Then it is fed to a preheater for liquefaction since plastic starts melting at around 165 degrees Celsius. It is then fed to a pyrolysis reactor where it is gasified and distilled between a temperature range of 210 to 270 degrees Celsius. The product are oil, gas and residue. The residue obtained is used in construction of road, gas for heating and oil's composition depend upon initial feed.
Currently, plastic's life is an open trend. It's produced, consumed and disposed. We need to bend this trend and complete the circle of life for plastic. Reduce, reuse, recycle and close the loop. We want our future generations to look like this and not like this. We urge you all to make sure at least you as an individual contribute to completing the circle of life. If we work now, there's hope for future generations.